Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. So today's video is all about this look you're seeing right here. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any video from me. And if you like this video, support your girl by clicking on that like button. In case if you like this necklace that I'm wearing is from Shoe Honey, I'm going to leave every detail. I've done a video about it. I'm going to link the video here. The discount code, I will leave it on the description box. So if you like it, you can check that out. They are customized necklace. It's written Chelsea, my name on it. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Let's move on to the video. Bye. So first thing, I'm going to use a concealer on my lid as a base. This concealer is from MAC. This is NC45. I'm going to do one lid first. I'll do this one, then I'll do the other one off camera. I'm going to use this. This is a blush. I'm just going to pack that on all over my lid, down to this area. I'm using this liquid blush from Focaluri as my transitional shade. I like it. I use it in my recent video. I like the art look, so this video I said, why not try it again? This is my second time of using this liquid blush as my transitional shade. The last one I used pink and this one is orange shade. So I'm using this light purple to blend the upper side of my lid. After blending, I don't like it that much. I had to add this purple shadow on top the liquid blush because I don't really like when it dried up. I don't like the way it's not that pronounced, so I just decided to say, okay, let me add this eyeshadow to it, this purple. So I'm trying to bring it to my outer V because I saw a look on a model on Instagram. So I said, why not create something like that? So that is what I am doing, trying to like bring it to my nose area. Initially, as I'm doing it, it looks somehow weird, not too beautiful, but I kept doing it. I just said, let me do to see the end result. If it is good, I'm going to post it. If it's not good, then I will not post it. So I continue blending the upper side of it. While blending, I saw that the thing is giving more shape. It's coming out beautiful. I said, okay, let me continue. So I went ahead to blend more. I changed my brush to blend more to remove the harsh lines from it. All I'm doing is just blending. And this brush is from Primark. So after blending it, I saw that the color is too sharp, so I decided to add, I'm sorry I did not show that part to you guys, I decided to add dark blue shadow to my crease area. That is what I'm blending. In your case, you can use black if you like, but the one I'm blending on top now is dark blue shadow. After adding the dark blue, I saw that the thing is coming out very well. I had to like blend again. This time around, I'm using that same brush to blend the upper side of it, which is my brow area, my brow bone area. So I went ahead to take this shimmer because after everything I felt that something is missing. I said, okay, let me add shimmer at the middle. So I just added this shimmer on at the middle of it, as you guys can see. Then after that, I added white liner on my waterline. Then I added mascara, and I did my lashes off camera. So I said, okay, let me still go on and add something. So I'm trying to like add some stars to it. I don't know the name they really call these things. Are they glinters or are they stones? I don't know the name they call them, but they are in form of stars. So I'm just adding it on my tear dot area to the inside, to the, I don't know how I will explain it to you guys. You guys see what I'm doing, you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to add that, and after adding it I saw that yeah, this makes sense. So I continue. If I tell you guys, this took me a lot of time. I was supposed to use my tweezers to do this. Instead, I went ahead to use toothpick, which made it very, very difficult, but at the end it was okay. I used that lighter purple just to blend in my bottom lash line, and that is it. You can see that is beautiful. I think I'm going to recreate something similar again because I like the looks very, very much. I decided to like, okay, it's beautiful. So after that, I added mascara on my bottom lashes, and that is all I did. I know this video is very, very short. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Ciao.